Hey guys, it's me, Awesome Guy Likes Babes here. And yeah, so we're playing some Mortal Kombat right now. I'm doing the tag-in. I think it's Mortal Kombat 9, the complete edition with a K. Yeah, it's just called Mortal Kombat Complete Edition. So yeah, I don't have Mortal Kombat X. I have the app, but sadly I don't know how to record my screen. So I just thought instead I'd play this Mortal Kombat. Alright, let's get into it. I've already played the first round of this level. I'm using Rain and, what's his name? Reptile. I haven't played this in a while. I just started playing. I decided, oh, I'll make a video. Oh, shoot. I forgot. I tried tagging in. Boom! Oh, no. Come on. You have your X... Oh, he failed at using his X-ray on... Oh, never mind. How do you use those moves? Oh, I love Reptile's X-ray. I like Kinshi. I was debating whether to use Rain and Kinshi or Rain and Reptile. So I just decided Reptile. Wrap it, just spam the X button. That's all you have to do with Reptile, mainly. Hold on, I need to learn how to use that enhanced. Enhanced attack. Oh, that was sick. I can teleport. Yeah. How you like me now? Huh? Huh? No. Not cool, man. Okay. Are you able to teleport with this guy? No, you're not allowed to teleport. Okay. Let's learn an enhanced move. Oh, this is awesome! I didn't know you could turn invisible with Reptile. Rapid punching. Oh, whoa, watch it, man. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh, yeah, nice. No. Alright, let's learn how to use a breaker move. Oh, that's awesome. Suck it. Yeah, you can't teleport, can you? Huh? Oh. Oh, that was not nice, man. Not nice. Bam! Boom! Alright. Need to finish him. But how? Okay. Oh, darn it. I failed at my fatality. Alright, we'll do one more round, guys, and then I'll finish it. And then I'll upload it. Yeah, guys, if you want me to start making a series of maybe, I don't know, Mortal Kombat? Something to think about. Something to think about. Alright, let's do this Rain. Rain and Reptile. They go pretty well. Oh, Rain versus Fire. Come on. Oh no, you didn't! Yay! Fun time! Alright, we need to learn bam, bam. Oh. Come on, get over here. No, no. Stop running from me. Can't run from me. Screw you. God. Come on. Come on, mate. Why don't you actually fight me like a man? Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. Okay. Wait, they can still... That's bull. They can still see you. Oh! Boom! Just wasted it. Death! Death! Sorry for any background noise, guys. No! How dare you block it? That's not fair. Hey guys, sorry about that. I'll finish this battle and then that's the end of the video, I guess. Boom. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. I get way into it when I'm playing Mortal Kombat. No, no. Rapid fire! Oh, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, come on. Deal with it. God, come on. I suck at fatalities. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay awesome, like I always say. Actually, I don't always say that. But yeah, see you guys next time. I'll probably do another Mortal Kombat video.